Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech TV. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to fix Netflix auto-lagging issue. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If your Netflix.com account is auto-lagging, then there might be several reasons why it is happening. If there is a congestion between the two servers, you'll face lagging while streaming Netflix. So in that case, first, make sure that you are connected to a strong and stable internet. If your Netflix.com account is lagging and you're not being able to stream your favorite show or a movie, then the first thing to do is to check your internet speed. Open up a web browser first and in the URL box type in fast.com and press enter on your keyboard. Here, you'll be able to know how fast your connection is performing, and if it's not up to the requirement of Netflix, you won't be able to stream your Netflix account like you were supposed to. Remember that you should not have any unnecessary application or devices connected to your network in order to fix your Netflix lagging issue. Another reason why your Netflix account is lagging might be your network equipment. Unplug your power cable for your router or your modem and power it back again. Once you do this, it will give a quick refresh to your network, and once you restart your router, you might be able to solve your issue. The next thing you'll need to check is if you are connected to any VPN network, make sure to turn the power off. The main reason you are not being able to operate your Netflix account might be because you are connected to a VPN and it is interfering with your network connection. Simply open up your Netflix account and play a movie or a TV show in order to check if that fixes your issue. If you're still not being able to fix your Netflix error, then the next thing to do is to open up your web browser, click on the three dots at the top right hand corner, and now click on History. Click on the three dots in the History tab, and now click on Clear Browsing Data. Select the time range from the drop down and click on Clear Now in order to clear out your cookies, cached images and files, your download history or browsing history. If you want to select other options to be cleared out as well, click on the boxes right at the front of the menu. If you want to deselect any other options, you can simply check on the box to deselect them. After you are done, click on Clear Now. Once you clear out your cached data from your web browser, go back to Netflix and try playing your content and see if that fixes the issue. If nothing else works out, simply restart your system and log in back again to your Netflix account and see if that fixes the issue. Those were some of the fixes you could try out whenever your Netflix account keeps auto-lagging and does not let you play your favorite content. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.